sea to the big boats, either whichever way, loaded onto there.
All right.
Yeah.
So we went, and all them young disability children.
Of course you can.
So is this all Whitehaven then, from years
Yes,
ago?
yeah.
Right.
This is where Spoons is now, Wetherspoons. It's
Right.
just behind those buses.
Right. Right. So where is this then?
As you get,
Because you know there's a bandstand, isn't there?
yeah,
There's like-
bandstands where that thing
Oh,
is now.
right,
Yeah,
right.
that's exactly where it is.
Oh,
yeah.
right, okay. It's
So the
awful,
bus,
isn't it, when you try to like it where we've been,
yeah.
I'm thinking, right.
So the bus stop where you get where you go do tours.
Yeah,
on
is
this
there,
bus.
right. So are you guys from here then? I am. Yeah.
She's red born. I'm quite London originally, but I've been in quite 40 years plus. How long we've been married? 21.
Yeah. So has it changed a lot then? It has. Yeah. For the good or for the bad or a bit mixed?
It's a bit mixed.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you look at the old postcodes and you see what the streets used to be like, and you look at it now and you think,
Yeah.
you know, your house and
So,
From
I know.
you.
We're the same. I mean, it's nothing.
Yeah, we're in Auckland
it's a few years.
about 3 years ago, was it? Just after they opened up COVID again. Yeah. We went and visited some friends who
Yeah.
fish.
Yeah.
That's the old Quaker Oats building. Used to be on the harbour side, near where Tesco's is now. This used to carry phosphate to a factory called Marchand that did soap powders and stuff like that. So ships would come into just outside the harbour, and then there'll be another boat ferry, loading it up and picking it up on there, goes into the silos, and then wagons will take it to the factory.
So it's quite a busy port then.
Yes,
It
was a
sounds
very
like
busy
it's been.
port.
Yeah.
So I've gone by.